Tonight, while you are lying completely still, your body is going to do something extraordinary. Your brain will physically wash itself. Your muscles will be paralyzed on purpose, and you will be rebuilt from the inside out. This is exactly what happens inside you, minute by minute, from the second you close your eyes. And the one at minute 45 is the part almost nobody knows about. You will spend about a third of your entire life doing this, roughly 26 years, unconscious. And almost none of us have any real idea what's going on in there. So let's follow one single night from minute 0. Minute 0. The shutdown begins. Your core temperature starts to drop by about 1 degree because your body physically cannot fall asleep until it cools down. Your heart rate slows. Your muscles go loose. And sometimes, right at this moment, you get that sudden falling sensation, and your whole body jerks. That's a hypnic jerk. One theory is that your brain misreads your muscles relaxing as you actually falling, and panics. Minute 10. You lose the outside world. Deep in your brain sits the thalamus, the gate that lets sound, touch, and light through to your conscious mind. Right now, it's closing. The room doesn't actually go quiet. Your ears still work perfectly. Your brain simply stops forwarding the messages. This is also when you might see drifting shapes and colors behind your eyelids. That's hypnagogia, the border between awake and gone. Minute 20. You drop into deep sleep, and your brain changes gear completely. The fast, busy electrical chatter of being awake slows into huge rolling waves, slow enough that millions of neurons begin firing in unison, like a stadium crowd finally chanting together. Your breathing steadies. Your blood pressure falls. This is the deepest you will go all night. Wake someone now, and they genuinely won't know where they are. Minute 30. The repair crew clocks in. Your pituitary gland releases a surge of growth hormone, most of your daily supply, all in this one window. It goes to work rebuilding muscle, repairing tissue, and strengthening bone. Your immune system releases proteins that fight infection. This is why you sleep more when you're ill, and why athletes who sleep badly recover slowly. You are, quite literally, being reassembled. Minute 45. And here is the one almost nobody knows. Your brain starts washing itself. During deep sleep, the cells in your brain shrink, opening the gaps between them by as much as 60%. Fluid then floods through those channels and flushes out the waste that built up while you were awake. Among the things being rinsed away is a protein called beta amyloid, the same one that clumps together in Alzheimer's disease. Your brain has a plumbing system, and it only runs properly at night. Minute 70. Your brain starts sorting the day. Everything you experience today is sitting in a temporary holding area called the hippocampus. Overnight, your brain replays those experiences, sometimes at many times normal speed, and files the ones worth keeping into long-term storage in the cortex. The rest is left to fade. Sleep isn't just rest. It's the moment your day gets decided into a memory, or into nothing at all. Minute 90. Something strange happens. Your brain suddenly switches back on. Your eyes start darting rapidly behind closed lids. Your brain activity climbs until it looks almost identical to being wide awake. And in some regions, Even more active than that. Your heart rate and breathing turn irregular. From the inside, you are alert. From the outside, you look deeply asleep. Welcome to REM. And here's the part that should unsettle you. To stop you acting out whatever is happening in your head, your brainstem shuts your body down. It floods the nerves controlling your muscles with signals that switch them off. Your arms, your legs, your torso, all effectively paralyzed. Every single night, for roughly 2 hours, you are locked inside a body you cannot move. Only your eyes, and the muscles keeping you breathing, are spared. So why are dreams so strange? Because while this is happening, the front of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, the part that handles logic, planning, and weight, that makes no sense, goes quiet. Meanwhile, your emotional and visual centers run at full power. You get vivid imagery and intense feeling, with the fact checker switched off. That's why you can be flying over your old school, late for an exam you never took, and not question a single second of it. Hour 3. The whole thing loops. Sleep runs in cycles of roughly 90 minutes. And you'll go round 4 to 6 times tonight. But the balance shifts as the night goes on. Early cycles are dominated by deep, physical repair. Later ones, deep sleep shrinks, and REM stretches out. Your body gets rebuilt first. Your mind gets processed second. Hour 5. Your dreams get longer and stranger. That first REM period lasted maybe 10 minutes. By now, they can run close to an hour. This is exactly why the dreams you actually remember are almost always the ones just before waking. They're the longest, the most vivid, and the closest to the surface. Everything earlier has usually already dissolved. But sometimes the system misfires. Occasionally your mind wakes up before the paralysis switches off. You are conscious, aware of the room, and completely unable to move or speak. That's sleep paralysis. And because the dreaming machinery is still running, people often see figures standing in the room, or feel a crushing weight on their chest. It is terrifying. It is harmless. And it is simply two systems failing to switch off at the same time. Just before your alarm, your body starts waking you without being asked. Your temperature climbs. Cortisol rises to sharpen you up. In a lot of people, this begins minutes before the alarm actually sounds, because your body has been keeping time all night. And then you open your eyes, remember almost none of it, and call it doing nothing. You were repaired, rinsed, rewired, paralyzed, and resorted. Nothing you do while awake is anywhere near that productive. If this made you look at bedtime a little differently, that's the whole point. Subscribe for more of what your body is doing when you aren't paying attention. And tell me in the comments, have you ever had sleep paralysis? I'll see you in the next one.